My lord, with the
Yes.
consent of the other side, my lord, my senior friend, Mr. Saranya,
Yes.
I am, my lord, mentioning item number 11.
Yes.
Yes, I am appealing for tribal efforts, but I was supposed to get the records, my lord. It's a very old record. We could not trace it, my lord. We need little further time, so I am seeking adjournment there. I have something.
May I pay for that, my lord?
Hmm?
Please fix that, my lord.
After this, my lord,
Okay, Mr. M. Holonial and Council for the petitioner. And Mr. Hardhorse.
Eight and nine, newly entered respondent.
He's for
8 and 9.
8 and 9.
the new.
Newly.
New.
Okay. Mr. Hardhorse, Learned Standing Council,
Tribal efforts.
Department of Tribal Affairs, plain, appearing for the respondent number 8 and 9. Not present. Post up. Mr. Todd has submitted Learned Standing Council, Department of Tribal Affairs, plain, has submitted that records of the proceedings of the state level committee, scrutiny committee, pertaining to the order dated 14/8/2023. Being are not, despite are not found till date, despite diligences, and he has thus he has thus prayed for some more time to trace out the record and produce the same before the court. Post up as sought for by Mr. Dwarf and agreed to by Mr. Colonial and Council for the petitioner. Release the case on
My lord, after 2 weeks, my lord.
December.
Fine.
December. 10th of December.
My lord. My lord.
May it please your lordship. My lord, I seek your lordship's kind permission to a listing of a motion item on Monday, my lord. Analogous matters are fixed on that day.
Okay, Monday.
Oblige me.
You have filed already.
Already filed.
May I please lordship? I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition civil withdrawal.
May I please your lordship, with consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 327, lordship.
Yes.
Matter kindly adjourn for 1 week, lordship.
Okay. Mr.
P. Sharma.
P. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitions. Has submitted. Well, Mr. Bhatti is not available.
Yes, lordship.
Leading counsel, Mr. O.P. Bhatti, is out of station on personal ground. He has thus prayed for listing of the cases after a week. You have informed.
Yes, lordship.
It is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel for the respondents to make the prayer. The prayer is allowed. List the cases.
First week of December.
List the cases on 3rd of December.
Oblige, lordship.
For withdrawal, item number 9. Petitioner has instructed me to withdraw this case, man.
Okay, Mr. S. Mukhtar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that he has instruction. Has submitted, on instruction, that the petitioner wants to withdraw the pre-petition. Post up. Mr. R.B. Goswami, Learned counsel representing MS MD Bora, Lion Standing Council, Corporation Department for the respondent number 125 is present. Full stop. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Mukhtar, granted counsel for the petitioner, the petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Obliged.
For motion, item number 10.
Lordship, petitioner is a religious institution. They are conducting a gift coupon, not as a online or offline lottery. And petitioner has filed representation after Lordship, the deputy commissioner. I want only disposal of the representation, Lordship, rightly or allowing or not allowing. They have to dispose my representation which we have filed.
Yes. You appear for, yes, Mr. Solia, you appear for whom?
One lordship.
And MSS for
Respondent number 2, Lordship.
2. Disposal is by him. Okay. Hard Mr. S.K. Goswami. Learned counsel for the petitioner. H. Olihal and standing counsel is General Administration Department GAD, Assam for the respondent number 1. And this S4 granted Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number 2. Full stop. In view of the limited prayer made in this petition by the petitioner and as agreed to by the land council for the respondents, this petition is taken up for consideration and the motion stays itself. Full stop. Para. The petitioner has stated that it is a charitable organization established in the year 1983 for religious and charitable purposes. And the management committee of the petitioner organization and the petitioner organization has been managing a public temple by raising funds, donations, and voluntary contributions. Full stop. It is stated that on 1/6/2024, the management committee of the petitioner organization in a general meeting had adopted a resolution to organize a gift coupon draw stroke or game stroke draw for the purpose of raising funds for construction post of portion to the said resolution, tickets for the gift coupon game stroke draw were printed under the banner of the petitioner organization. And the gift coupon game draw stroke draw was scheduled to be held on 16/10/2024 initially. And accordingly, tickets were sold at rupees 100 per ticket to the public. Full stop. The petitioner organization has stated that a large number of tickets have already been sold. Full stop. When the process of selling tickets for the gift coupon game stroke draw was being undertaken, it had come to the knowledge of the petition organization that in a public interest litigation, PIL number,
29,
where is that page?
29/24, page,
Mention of it, PL number,
Lordship. Page 48 is the order in IA, Lordship, in PI.
PL number,
Para 14, Lordship, is the petition.
para 14. Petition or PIL?
Lordship, PIL, 29 of 2024.
Huh?
20, para 14, Lordship, page
Para
14,
14.
page 7.
In a PIL, PIL number 29 of 2024. A division bench of this court heard a PIL order.
Lordship,
Huh?
page 82.
That 3/10/2024 order anywhere? What is the content of that order? Which was sought to be vacated?
Lordship,
Any idea?
that has not been annexed, Lordship. So it was in it.
By an order dated 3/10/2024, had issued direction to the state authorities to take action against any off-line stroke online lottery found to be organized illegally in the state of Assam. Full stop. On being aware about the order dated 3/10/2024, the petitioner organization had immediately stopped selling further gift coupon draw tickets of the gift coupon draw game stroke draw contemplated gift coupon draw organized by it to raise fund for its construction আছিল, constructional লগতে and to carry out construction যে আছিল and to carry out its various religious, cultural and other social activities for the benefit of the public at large. Post. It stop selling tickets for the gift coupon game stroke draw. Scheduled on scheduled to be held on 16/10/2024. Post. Para. After passing of the order dated 3/10/2024 in PIL number 29 of 2024. My number of interlocutory applications including INA civil number 3314/2024, came to be filed before the Honorable Division Bench by a number of social organizations who stated that they were involved in various religious, cultural and other social activities for the benefit of the public and for a number of years, they had been organizing lotteries, gift coupon, game stroke draw at various times, specially, on the eve of Ras festival, Lakshmi Puja and Dol Utsav, etc., in order to encourage participation of the public. Post of. In those interlocutory applications, the applicants expressed an apprehension that in view of the order dated 3/10/2024, Supra, the state authorities would not grant them permission to organize lotteries stroke gift coupon game stroke draws in those at the time of those festivals. With such projection, the applicants made a prayer before the division bench to either vacate or modify the order dated 3/10/2024 to allow them to organize lottery stroke gift coupon game stroke draws at the time of the festivals, a practice going on And it was claimed that such kind of practice was going on since long. Close to. Para. The division bench, after hearing the applicants in those interlocutory applications, did not, however, vacate or modify the order dated 3/10/2024, passed in PL number 29 of 2024. Post up. The division bench had, however, granted liberty to those applicants to move appropriate representations before the concerned authorities with the following observations. Page 83. A to A. Para. Mr. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner organization has submitted that the petitioner organization is a similar kind of organization as like the applicants in those interlocutory applications including IA civil number 3314/2024. So stop. After he has submitted that after passing of the order dated, oh, it would date to be 29/10/2020. Huh? Applicable, those the division bench, after hearing the learned counsel for the parties, disposed of those interlocutory applications, including so and so, with the following observations. A to A. After passing of the Goswami, after passing of the order dated, okay, so it's a similar kind of organization as like the applicants in those interlocutory applications, including IA civil number 3314/2024. Post up. After passing of the order dated 29/10/2024 by the Supra, by the division bench, the petitioner organization has submitted a representation before the respondent number 2 and closing a copy of the order dated 29/10/2024 with a prayer to consider its representation in terms of the said order. Post up. As the representation, post up, Mr. Goswami has further submitted that as a large number of tickets for the gift coupon draw, the game stroke draw, have already been sold, originally scheduled to be held on 16/10/2024, the same had necessitated the petition organization to approach the respondent number 2 to consider its representation in terms of the observation of the Honorable Division Bench in its order dated 2019-2024. Post op. As the said representation dated 1/11/2024 is yet to be considered and has not yet been considered, the petitioner has approached this court by this writ petition seeking a direction to the state respondents to consider its representation dated 1/11/2024 in terms of the order dated 2019-2024. Post op. Yes, this is what Mr. Soliha, standing counsel so-and-so, GAD, and MS so-and-so, learned junior government with appearing for the respondent number 1 and 2 have submitted, in unison, that since the petitioner organization has stated that its representation dated 1/11/2024 is yet to be disposed of, this is to be considered and disposed of. In terms of the prayer therein is to consider the said representation in terms of the order dated 29/10/2024, this writ petition can be disposed of at this stage with a direction to the concerned to the state respondents, more particularly, the respondent number 2, to take the representation of the petitioner, representation dated 1/11/2024, or the petitioner organization on board, and thereafter to consider and consider the same in terms of the order dated 29/10/2000, in terms of the observations made in the order dated 29, observation and direction given, observation made and direction given in the order dated 29/10/2024 by passing a speaking order. Post op. In view of the broad consensus arrived at the bar in the aforestated manner, and taking into consideration that the limited prayer made in this writ petition, this writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the state respondents, more particularly, the respondent number 2 to take the representation stated to have been submitted by the petitioner organization on 1/11/2024 before him, on board, and thereafter, to consider the case of the petitioner in terms of the order dated 29/10/2024, including the provisions of the Lotteries within bracket Regulation Act 1998 and the Lotteries Regulation Rules 2010, and thereafter, to dispose of the representation by a speaking order expeditiously, because this is the observational
Obliges.
post of this order disposes of the writ petition.
other matters, item 1 and 2 for admission.
এই অনন্ত এইখিনি কৰিছে। Yes, Mr. Talda. Any matter? Item? Hearing item? 8. We may not like to take this today. I have to rise early. অনন্ত। এই চাওঁ বস্তুটো ক'ত? বস্তুটো ক'ত? Take your seat. I have recorded your submission that the alternative location which they are proposing to you is not well situated to generate similar kind of revenue. I have recorded already.
On that basis, perhaps they may consider it in a. but-
as has already been held. As has already been held. The case in hand is not one where a petitioner has a legal right to act as a commission agent of the respondent and affiliate authorities from a particular stall. Therefore, the legal issue as regards the right of the petition to continue his business as a commission vendor from the stall located at platform number 2-3 between pillar number 3-4 of the Guwahati railway station has been found to be negative, as the petitioner as commission vendor has no legal right to assert that he as such commission vendor can demand to run a business from that particular stall. Full stop. Para. It is relevant to mention that para 20 Peter Homoination. As regards Mr. Dubey's contention that the case of the petitioner would fall would require consideration in the light of the observations and directions given in Munsiram Sutra. This court, after consideration, the same after consideration, due consideration, comma is found not acceptable. Full stop. It is settled that even if a point which is ostensibly, which is a point of law, which is a point of law, is sought to be raised, the same is required to be substantiated by facts and prove such facts, establish such facts by all supporting materials which must appear from the writ petition. First of it, the facts are not pleaded, or the materials in support of such facts is not annexed to the writ petition. The court should refrain from entering such point. First, the point raised as regards absorption has not been taken in the writ petition, and it has been raised only in argument. First,
Can I make? But it is not my case that I am seeking that similar benefit should be given to us. I'm only drawing an analogy that had I been given that, because I have not opted for, or that is not even a subject matter. But my contention before your lordship is that one of the options that could have been available to the petitioner was absorption, which was not either given, taken, or whatever be. But he continued to be a commission vendor, Lord. But my contention was that he may have or might have or could have even today a better option if he has sought for absorption. I'm not on that. What I'm saying is, by remaining as a commission vendor, he has accepted that, but his position should not be lesser than what he has in comparison to his existing status as well as our option available. I'm not claiming that.
it is not pleaded such thing.
No,
Why
no,
should I enter?
I'm not. Therefore,
That is
Lord,
what I am only
Lord,
observing.
I'm not claiming that he should be absorbed, because this is not even my case here.
Ah.
Well, my case,
উপর লিখিব, I'll correct that. Similar kind of variability treatment. Not similar, although not by absorption. Although not by absorption, similar kind of treatment.
yes.
Stop an argument raised during a point raised during the course of the argument without any foundation in the writ petition, and that too without any plea in the writ petition, comma, is not to be entertained. Full stop. Your letter was alternative location. There are 20, absolutely. 21 absolutely লিখিব 21 or পিছত এইটো লিখিব এই মুছিৰাম absolutely লিখিব. Insofar as regards the submissions advanced by the council for the parties to the effect that the relocation of the petitioner from platform number 2/3.
3-4, my lord, 3-4-2-2.
Huh?
3-4-2-2-3.
Huh?
At one place, lordship has stated that his stall was located at platform number 2-3. It was 3-4. not
3/4.
Three.
Everywhere, 3/4.
The other,
6-7.
in the other case, it's.
No, we are on, please don't confuse me. We are only at this stage, I am not dictating, I'll do the correction, Sanju Datta, please.
I'm sorry.
Please restrict yourself to Khokonde. Don't make the confusion, because he doesn't know what is the content. It will be
In Khokonde also, it's 3-4 now.
3/4, okay, 3/4. Between pillar number,
6-7.
Huh?
Let.
Mr. Day, please.
The writ petition is.
In the writ petition, what is the position? Please tell me.
Oh, he says that the synopsis is, there is some mistake, then fine.
Huh?
Pillar number is 3-4, my lord.
3/4, pillar number 3.
Platform number is 6-7, para 3.
Platform number?
Platform 6-7 and pillar number 3-4.
See, let us see the vacation notice. Not there. Not there.
My lord will see the tender at page 98.
Okay, platform 6/7. Between pillar 3 and 4. Okay, so what? Oh, 6/7 আছে। Two. One of the two alternative locations, as indicated by the letter dated 18/8/2022, is likely to bring serious effect insofar as the volume of business and consequent earning of commission is concerned, this court is of the considered view that the petitioner should be granted liberty to represent such causes before the respondent NF Railway authorities. Post up. As this court can only observe that in the event of preferring any such representation by the petitioner before the respondent NF Railway authorities, the respondent NF Railway authorities would give a fair and just consideration to such representation by taking into purview the inter-se arrangement existed between the petitioner as a commission vendor with the respondent NF Railway authorities since between the family of the petition as a commission vendor under them since the year 1961. First of it is expected that the respondent NF Railway authorities will consider the location, relocation of the petitioner as a commission vendor by taking into purview the aspects the advantages and the disadvantages likely to be faced by the petitioner from such relocation. From all standpoints, including uh, including the aspects of generating sufficient commission vis-a-vis his livelihood. I have,
That would suffice, my lord, at least.
huh?
No, that would, my lord, at least take care of his.
Yes, Mister.
Fine.
Okay, tell me the termination notice in Sonju. Dates same.
Same.
Okay.
Only, my lord, is
Now position, you tell me the
platform
position
number
now.
4 and 5.
1 minute, 1 minute. Let me, let myself. You know, Harry, has been an order passed in the accompanying gate petition, the interlocutory application stands disposed of, accordingly disposed of. Where is the tender notice?
My lord, page 99.
99, date to same, number to বেলেগ হ'ব। ইয়াতে কিন্তু সেই war widow সুযোগ নাই, ইয়াতে এইটো SMU নহয়, General Minor Unit, GMU। বাকি 5 years, ইয়াতে platform number 4/5
Yes, my lord.
between pillar number 9-10,
Yes, my lord, that is good.
okay? Reserve price 9 lakh। Tender number to লিখা আছে, page 99। তাৰপিছত, এইটো চাই লওঁ এবাৰ। ইয়াতে father 1963, appointment of father, সেইটো যে আগত আছিল। ইয়াতে mother নাই, father expired on 16/8/2004। তাৰপিছত date is different, renewal date
Yes, my lord.
Page 22.
age
22/3/2005.
22। ইয়াতে হেৰিখন নাই, মাজৰ ইখন যে আছিল ন, তাতে যিখন চিমিলাৰ অৰ্ডাৰ হেৰি আছিল ন, 12/6 নে কিবা এখন আছিল।
812 is one.
8/12 ঠাইত 8/12 ঠাইত 8/12 নাই, 8/12 is not there।
No, no.
8/12 যিখন চিঠি আছিল সেইখন গোটেইখিনি কাটি দিম, আৰু 15/12/2006 যিখন আছিল তাতে ইয়াতে 22/03/2005,
Yes.
right? And any other distinguishing feature?
No,
That
lord.
was limited by tenure, I'm not having it.
No, I have not said that.
This was for 6 months. only.
He continued as such. I have already addressed that they have no agreement. On the strength of this letter,
my lord.
this
Continue.
15/12/2006 and 22/03/2005, they were continuing. And relocation was for 2 stalls, same,
Yes.
both,
Yes,
no other distinguishing feature.
In this case, the stall has been allotted to that I have given. the
Okay.
contract.
yes,
Okay.
this is a blood.
Okay, 1 minute.
And but we are saying that that is not in the same location, that has still been shifted because it will not between pillar number 9 and 10.
Stall has been allotted.
Yes,
This is proof.
that agreement my friend has given it to you. Lord.
Given it to your lordship.
Okay.
Mhm.
Agreement.
I have an extra copy.
No, no, it will be there. Let me find myself.
To one SS Enterprise.
This one.
This is the letter of allotment and there is a contract agreement. The agreement is a little bit voluminous. The LOA is
Hmm.
2 page.
At the top itself, it says, my lord, pillar platform number 4 and 5 and pillar
Mhm.
number 9 and 10.
In this letter,
In the agreement, top,
Agreement.
agreement.
yes.
And in
Name of the work your lordship would see.
Huh?
the letter also, LOA also. I think
This is 4506. Okay. Field. Dated.
The LOA is 17.
Or 1 minute, 1 minute. I am picking up something else.
Agreement to 6
Agreement is 6 of
February.
February 23.
I might have placed it somewhere else.
Give it copy.
No, no, it's okay. It is there. Again, adding one, it will be difficult for me to tackle. This one.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
সঞ্জুটোত এটা পেৰা ৰাখি থৈ দিব। We'll add this somewhere. সঞ্জুটোত এটা পেৰা ৰাখি থৈ দিয়ক। Contract already executed with the successful bidder. Yes, sir. You are earning what
9 lakhs.
per year?
With that amount is given
51 lakh,
yes
84.
For 5 years.
5 years?
Yes,
10%
So
enhancement
more than 9 lakh,
yes, sir.
more than the reserve price.
and a 10% enhancement from the 4th year.
Total contract value is 51,84,395.
Yes. But that would also include the enhancement value. Because
that will-
for 5 years.
But not today.
Well,
Maybe Monday or Tuesday.
it will not come out list, my lord. So
No, it is disposal.
Disposal.
Both are disposal.
let it come after 10 days, no problem.
Why it will come up?
So Tuesday is expected.
I'm
Because
deeply aware.
I'll not be available
Well,
for these days. And he would require time.
My lord has given a time frame for consideration, my lord.
Okay, as the expedition was possible, it will hear he will answer that query. Preferably within a period of 6 weeks from the date of submission of the representation. It to anybody available? Okay, you can go.
mention to
No, I have to ask, I told Mr. Taluriya that will not take up. If nobody is available. Right. Petitioner I don't know. Huh? Order was queried. Huh? Okay. What up? Anybody for item number?
Eight.
Eight. Council Kunis. Advocate Kunis. Okay, I'm not passing. SD Purogasto, he's not here. Okay. And the case is called. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Full stop. The case stands pass over for the day.